Hi folks, welcome back for another exciting video. So it has been a pretty long time since I rode my Ninja 300. Once the ZX came into my life, I have been doing a lot of weekend rides and long rides lately with the ZX Tenor. And my 300 was almost laying idle in my home. So today I decided to take it for a spin, for a change. So for people who are new to my channel, let me give a formal introduction. This is a 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300. The motorcycle has done almost 74,000 kilometers, and in less than 2 months the motorcycle will be completing 8 years with me. So it is common for every motorcycle that as time goes on, the performance of the motorcycle will come down. So today I decided to check whether the performance of my Ninja 300 has come down. That is, I decided to check the top speed of this motorcycle. So there have been a lot of videos online where people have claimed to done around 190 or 191 km per hour with this motorcycle. That is the theoretical top speed of this motorcycle. So personally, I have hit a top speed of 180 km per hour with this motorcycle, but it was back when the motorcycle was in pristine condition, which is not the case now. So today I am not expecting my Ninja 300 to do any 180 kmph mark. I am a pretty heavy rider. I weigh around 87 kilograms. So what I am expecting is anything above 170 is pretty good performance for a motorcycle that is 8 years old and has done around 74,000 kilometers. So I have to go to the national highway to check those speeds. It is not possible in these roads. So I am riding to the nearby national highway where I will check the top speed of this motorcycle and see how it performs. So finally I have entered the national highway. The time is around 3 o'clock. So this is the time where there will be very less traffic in this highway. So there is a stretch just around 2 or 3 kilometers from here where it is a very long straight stretch where I can easily check the top speed of this motorcycle. But there is some crosswinds, so I have to see how the motorcycle behaves. So we are almost there, and it is time to bring down the gears. I am in gear 6 now. It's 5 and now in 4. And the stretch is almost free. .72, so that is okay, that is normal. Some crosswind was there, and let me have one more try. blocked and I couldn't achieve the desired speed, so I will try once again. So that's 176 kilometers per hour on a 8-year-old Ninja 300. So a few things which I could have done, which could have improved the top speed further. The tires were very old. I changed the tires at 46,000 kilometers. So the tires of this motorcycle has done around 28,000 kilometers and it is almost time for replacement. Also, my chain has not been properly lubricated. So had it been done, the motorcycle could have gone some more further. That is, at least it could have reached the 180 km per hour mark. But anyway, that is a pretty good performance for a 8-year-old motorcycle. So I have ridden the ZX and the Ninja 300 for a long time, and if you ask me which is more fun to ride, I would go with the Ninja 300. The 300, you can push the motorcycle to its limits, but whereas in the ZX it is not possible. Always you are trying to control the power of the ZX and ride safe, whereas on the 300 you can simply push the motorcycle to its limits and have fun all the way. So that's it for today, guys. See you all in another video, in another day. Thanks for watching.